Hi guys, this is just a follow-up video where I show you how I adjust the idler screw tensioning in the printer head when printing with NinjaFlex filament. I have another video showing the printer settings that I think you should check out too. I just want to add that I've been never particularly fond of printing with TPU material or NinjaFlex. I've had very mixed results, to say the least. So I thought I'd just go through how I adjusted my extruder. So when preparing to adjusting the filament rollers, I first cut off about 10 centimeters of NinjaFlex filament wire. I made sure to cut it so that the end was as sharp as possible. I used sharp scissors for this. Okay, so first I will loosen these screws completely for the tensioning. Okay, so now you can see that both are completely loose. So now we have to put a little bit of pre-tension on the feed rollers. So you have to push on the back side at the same time you're screwing in this screw. So now we will feed our filament through the guiding tube. So at first I find it a little bit difficult to find the right place, so I just turn it around and eventually it finds the guiding tube. Okay, so now you can see I'm touching the feed rollers. Now I will move down the extruder. As I'm feeding the filament and I'm holding against, I can actually feel that I'm holding it so it can't feed. I don't want it too tight because then you're squeezing the filament and that's not good. So I actually think this is a little bit too tight, so I'm going to loosen these screws a little bit. I want to feel it slipping when I'm pulling on it. Okay, so the only resistance is the rolling resistance of the filament spool here, so I'm trying to imagine how much pull we actually need. So when you pull on the filament roll, there's not that much resistance. So what we're trying to do here is just to have a little bit more pulling force on the filament from the rollers compared to what pulling force is needed to make the filament spool roll. Okay, so now we're going to try to load filament. Okay, so it feeds. So we have filament feeding. Let's feed some more through here. So it looks pretty good. Okay. So let's test print something here. I have a file here with G-code for NinjaFlex filament. Okay, so let's pick this one. So the first couple of layers looked really good and the whole print finished up really well. Okay, so that's it guys. I have also made a video showing the absolute best printer settings for printing in NinjaFlex filament on the Prusa MK3. And in that video I made a test print where you can see some pretty awesome results. So if you're interested in that video, make sure to click up here. Bye!